record. Teacher will also share my screen. So teacher, apologize once again. I guess I have to go and learn finally how to use the Google Meet. Y'all teach me in school, when y'all see me, teach me how to use a Google Meet. Okay, so if I look at this number 4, okay, the relative atomic mass, you can count how many units I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the relative atomic mass of helium is 4. Why? Because one atom of helium is 4 times heavier than 1/12 of carbon-12. Okay. Again, is this important for exam? No. But teacher saw this in one of the trial paper. In one of the trial papers. Okay, I saw this in one of the trial papers. I'm using my left hand to write. My right hand is playing tricks with me. Okay, so you need to remember the relative atomic mass. No unit. This is so important. So many students, they write down the answer and then they put gram or gram per mole. Gone. Okay, they totally don't get the mark there. Okay, so this is something we could have done in school, but no need to waste time. Go and get all your friends' weight, and then after that, record them. I don't think the boys, the girls or the boys will actually like it. So we just leave it lah. Okay, we do this question next time. Not important question. Okay, these questions are important. Teacher will do 1 or 2 with you, and then you are going to try it on your own. So the question is saying, how many times is a cadmium atom heavier than a lithium atom? Now there's a mistake here. You don't have your periodic table, but cadmium is 112. In your book is correct. Only in teacher's slide is wrong. Am I sharing screen with you? Thank you. All right. Okay, so how many times is a cadmium heavier than a lithium? So simple. Cadmium 112, lithium 7. I divide 12 there by 7. I get 1.7 times. So the next 4 questions are no-brainer, very simple questions. I'm giving you 30 seconds. I'm going to make myself a cup of Milo. You can go and make yourself a cup of Milo too. All right. And I want you to do question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5 now. Don't know, just ask. Put on your mic, ask, or if not, just ask in the class. Okay? Or put in the chat. Teacher will help you. I saw Adib coming in. Kesian Akil. Asyik kena update only. That's why you're coming on time. You don't give Adib a lot of work. Okay? If you call your friend and your friend said something, how did I get 12 over 7? That's a very good question, Darwin. Not 12, darling. This is not 12. Okay, there's a mistake here. It's 112 over 7. It's 112 over 7. Darwin, did you ask why is it 112 over 7, Darwin?
Yes.
Okay, so one cadmium atom is the mass, relative atomic mass is 112. One lithium atom is 7. It's like asking, a sumo wrestler is 112 grams. One Akil is 12 grams. Akil, no one. I'm just saying only, okay, or 40 grams, 45 grams. How many times is the sumo wrestler bigger than Akil? You divide, right? Then you get the answer. So it's the same concept here. I'm dividing the mass, dividing the relative atomic mass to get the answer. Because I want to know how many times it is. Okay, this is a sumo wrestler. This is Akil. How many times is the sumo wrestler bigger than Akil? So 112 divided by 7, teacher will get 1.7 times. Does that make sense to you, Darwin?
Yes, sir.
Can, okay. Maybe I do one more with y'all lah. Do one more with y'all. See whether y'all get it. Okay, 4 atoms of L. So teacher write down here 4 atoms of L. Okay, teacher don't want to go down because the answer there already. I don't want to show you all the answer. 4 atoms of L has the same mass as a beryllium atom. How much is a beryllium atom? What is the answer there? Because teacher don't want to show you all the answer. What did they say? The mass of tellurium atom is 128. Perfect. So 4 atoms of L is 128 relative atomic mass. So what is the mass of 1 atom of L? So 128 divided by 4. Okay, 128 divided by 4. What do you get? 32. Perfect. So this part here is very simple calculations. Okay, this part only, yeah. Then after it's more difficult already. Okay, so can you try for teacher question 3, 4, 5? Okay, once you've done question 3, 4, 5 settle already, you type in the group here in the chat number 1. Just put 1. Teacher give you an example. You type 1 and press in. Then I know you are done. Just type 1. Okay, teacher is going to make myself a cup of Milo. And then I will be back. I'm just here so I can hear you if you're talking or whatever. Anybody want to put soft music? And so many of you put 1. That means to say all of you all done ready at 3, 4, 5. I got no time to drink my Milo. Okay, I wait for a while. Those of you who put 1, 1, 1, that already done, is it? Okay, Amar, Fuyo, cepat. Okay, I give you all one more minute. 1 more minute. Very good. Very good. You're very fast, are you? Someone's not muted. Mehe, I think you're not muted. Okay, did anybody get one Ami is in. One Ami came. Did anybody get Shubhan? Janardhan, did you get Shubhan? Janardhan is missing.
Hi, sir. Yes, sir.
What did I say?
Teacher, you asked if I got Shubhan.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, sir. Sorry, sir.
Did you get Shubhan or not?
Sir, I thought he's not coming.
For the online class. Okay, I understand what his mom did tell me. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Did anyone get Sanjeev? Sanjeev was Rehan, yes? No. No reply. Thank you, Rehan. Raja Amma? Okay, you see, if someone has tuition, the person has to message teacher. Okay, cannot just say, oh, I got tuition and I need to reply teacher. That's wrong. Okay, and teacher actually told you all yesterday. Amma not replying. So you can actually make an effort. If you give me a chance, I also would say, okay, I'm tired. I also don't want to come. I just want to rest. Okay, but teacher doesn't do that. I don't want you all to miss out anything. Shami came in, Akil, I just saw him coming in just now. Okay, Emmanuel also same thing. Who put Emmanuel got another class? Who called Emmanuel? Who is the one who called Emmanuel just now? I just can't remember. Is it you, Lucas? Yeah, so you cannot put the reason that he got another class. Please take it out. Whoever cannot make it to class has to message teacher. Okay, Akil, if you can take, Shami is here. If you can take out Emmanuel got another class, cannot. Okay, so those people who didn't attend class, they must inform teacher themselves. Teacher won't accept that. Cannot. Are you the teacher, Akil? Would you like to teach my class? Cannot. Okay, the right thing is you cannot attend a teacher's class, you must tell the teacher, not tell the friend. Even if you have tuition, you can actually inform the teacher. That's the right thing to do. Okay, so take it up. Teacher don't want. Oops, sorry. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's go to question number 3. Who's got the answer? Who wants to be the give teacher the answer? Whose heart is beating really fast and you want to give us the answer? I see so many hands. I do not know who to choose. Okay, I barely see so many hands. I don't know who to choose. Are you all scared to answer? Okay, the first person that answers teacher will give 1 ringgit for you. Straight away, Amanat, give me 21 teacher. Okay, let us see. Oh, now Arun raises his hand. Okay, let's see whether the answer is 21. Answer is wrong. It's not 21. It is 21 atoms. So he doesn't get the answer. Okay? So I told you, units are very important, okay? In your working got 21 atoms, but your answer to me got no 21 atoms. You get 21 to get money. Hopeless like you. Cannot. It must be a complete answer. Never mind. Good try, Amanat. Okay, it's 21 atoms. Sorry, I cannot give you. All right. Okay, alamak, you all saw the answer already. Hi, yeah, never mind. Okay, how many atoms of neon? Okay, how many atoms of neon are required to equalize? That means to say it's equal. Okay, the mass of 2 atoms of bromine. Okay, so 2 atoms of bromine. At bromine, the mass is 80 is equals to how many atoms? I don't know how many atoms of neon. Neon is 20. Some of you will be thinking, teacher, I don't know what working you are doing. So let me just help you. I'm doing atom times mass is equals to atoms times mass. So for the first one, okay, I'm taking 2. However, I put front or back also, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm taking 2 atoms of bromine and the mass of bromine is 80 is equal to, I don't know how many atoms of neon times the mass of neon is 20. So A equals to 160 divided by 20. Teacher will get 8 atoms. Do you understand that? If it's a, you understand, just type yes. Okay, if you don't understand, then type no. Teacher's asking this question because, I will be like shocked sendiri ni mengajar here. Okay, if let's say I'm the one, okay. So many of you say yes. Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. Terima kasih, Daun Keladi. Lain kali tulislah lagi, ya. Alright. Now, 10 atoms of water. This is a bit tough. Not tough, but not tough at all. But just playing with the words. 10 atoms of element Y. So I know 10. And my Y is, I don't know. I need to find Y. 10 atoms of Y is 2 times heavier than 13 atoms of neon. And neon, just now we know it is 20. So teacher times 20 here. So 13 times 20, 260. 260 times 2, 520. Wrong, Arun. So 10y is equals to 520. Y is equals to 52. Yes. Can I put atoms here? Cannot. Very good. Why I cannot put any atoms? Why I cannot put gram? Why I cannot put all this? Very good. All of you take note. Everybody circle the word RAM here. Relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass, all of you write together with teacher. It has no unit. Okay, once you are very confident of your answers here, okay, quickly we go on to the next one here. Okay, I want to teach you relative molecular mass. Okay, now relative molecular mass, same thing. Okay, I want to compare the mass of the molecule with 1/12 of carbon 12. Tadi kita teacher compare the atom with 1/12 of carbon 12. Now teacher compare the molecule. So if you look at this particular example, methane has a relative molecular mass of 16. Teacher, how you get 16, teacher? Very simple. CH4. Okay, that's why teacher, for me, I always tell my students, hafal the periodic table from number 1 to number 20. Hafal proton number, hafal nuclear number. Easy for you. Okay, what is the nuclear number? What is the mass of carbon? Very good. 12. Okay, how about the rest of you? Of course, he already answered 12, then you all should know also it's 12 lah. Okay? Now, plus. What is the relative atomic mass of hydrogen? Very good. It's 1. How many hydrogens do I have here? 4. So teacher's going to bracket it and I'm timesing with 4. So 12 plus 4, sorry, 4, teacher will get 16. Okay, so teacher write down here, relative atomic mass of a methane is 16. So the mass of one methane molecule is 16 times heavier than 1/12 of carbon 12. That's all. Okay. Basically, you're wasting time doing all this. But again, I'm teaching you the principle. Okay. This is a molecule. How you know it's a molecule, class? Let me see whether you're clever, really remember what I said. How you know CH4 is a molecule? Very good. It's a non-metal and a non-metal. Caleb, I'm going to stop you already. Cannot answer. All your answers are very correct. Then I cannot see if anybody doesn't know. But I'm happy that your answering is not that, okay? I want to see the rest answering as well. Now, when I want to do relative formula mass, okay, it is for ion. So, for example, if teacher is doing sodium chloride, I use the same way to count for a relative formula mass. So, what is the nuclear number for sodium? How many of you remember? Okay, this one I really give 1 ringgit. All of you Googling now. Oi, 24, 24. Salah lah, babe. Enrica guessed at 1 ringgit. It is 23. Who told you 24? 24 is magnesium. Okay, another ringgit. What is the relative atomic mass of chlorine? Caleb can answer. Caleb, don't worry. Caleb can answer. Okay, Aiman gets it. Okay, 35. In some places, they put 35.5. It doesn't matter. Teacher accept both. Okay, now find the addition of both of these. 23 plus 35. What do you get? 58. Perfect. Okay, Caleb, right, good. Me here and everybody. Okay, so 1 ringgit for Enrica, 1 ringgit for Aiman. Come and claim from teacher tomorrow. Okay, since you're all very smart, you look at the table there. Okay, teacher gives you, finish everything from number 1 to number 2 to number 3. Teacher gives you, okay, maybe I don't have to do everything for today's class. Do chlorine and sulfur. Okay. Do for teacher benzene and phosphoric acid. Do for teacher number 1 and number 2. Okay, all start now. Okay, quickly. Teacher set the time for 3 minutes. That means 8:51, all done. Today is the first day of your online class with teacher, yeah? So I didn't give you all any punishment. Okay, sometimes if you're late to my class, I make you all dance physically in class. My punishments are varied for y'all. Yang tak kenal cikgu tu, welcome to my class lah. That's all I can say. Yeah, so try not to be late for my classes. Try to come on time. I try not to have a lot of online classes because if I can settle in school, it's good. So teacher won't take so long for today. Yeah? As long as you finish all those questions I asked you there, okay for teacher already. At least we are on par. Tak ketinggalan banyak. Again, same concept. When done, put 1 in the group. If don't know how to count, you can personally message, but always better to type in the chat here so my answer can help everybody. For your exam, chapter 2 and chapter 3 will come out. So teacher will give you a lot of calculation questions. So be prepared, yeah? Anyone done yet? Okay, maybe we do the first part first. Anyone done chlorine and sulfur? I'm sure done, kan? Okay, chlorine and sulfur. Sanjeev joins the class now. Okay, one. Okay, teacher will wait for at least, if there's some, like, let's say for the relative formula mess, you don't know how to do, it's okay, leave it. Teacher will help you later. If you have tried your best, okay, like Ruvanish and Kilim done already, right? Go and try to do the other questions as well while we wait for your friends. Sanjeev, if you are in the class right now, can you tell teacher why you're late? Okay. Now when you talk to someone and no one replies you. Sanjeev, are you there, Sanjeev? Brings back memories of teaching online. Okay. Sanjeev, teacher accepted, but you need to inform teacher uh, early on, not like this, yeah? So don't do it again. Teacher won't accept if it's another time. Okay, so that we don't waste time, can I do question number 1 with you all? Okay, before I do question number 1, anyone you would like to answer? There's no 1 ringgit this time. Okay, so for chlorine, what is the number here? 71 says, very good. Okay, it is 71. It's very simple, these questions. You wait, I give you all harder questions next class, okay? Okay, next one. Sulfur. What is the number? 256. Very good. Okay, very good. All right. Now, if you did the rest, then good for you, but I didn't do the rest with you. But if you want to take down the answer, you can take down for phosphorus. It's actually 124. Okay, that is for phosphorus. Good. The ones that answered, yeah, well done. Okay, now we go. This is relative molecular mass yang senang je, too easy. Okay, I would like actually to see more of you participating. Okay, I know many of you, you're there, but I don't know whether you're really there. So when you type in the chat, right, then teacher know, okay, you actually understand, or you're answering my question. Okay, then only teacher will know whether you're paying attention or not paying attention. Okay, look at the next molecule is benzene, C6H6. What's my answer here? Okay, very good, very good. I've got 3 students answering teachers, 4. Very good. Okay, I've got 78. Okay, well done, 5. All right, good job. It is 78. Okay, then the last one I gave you was phosphoric acid. Alamak, I thought I gave the answer. Correct. It is 98. All right. I showed you all the answer. So what you all can do is you all can actually take down the answer 60 and 60 for the other 2. And then you can do it later. Okay, and the working must be there. Okay. Now, ionic compound is not the easiest at all. I think I will show you all the answer already, but now I actually want to do it with you. Okay. So iron, what is the chemical relative atomic mass for an iron? Teacher ask for iron, yeah? Because I want to teach you how to do with a bracket. What is the relative atomic mass of an iron? 56. Okay. Did they give you the value at the bottom? Did they help you? Or they did not help you? How did you all find 56? Did you open up your periodic table? Okay. All right. Okay, now then we go to bracket. So if they bracket, you also bracket, huh? Oxygen is how much? Very good. 16. Hydrogen is 1. Very good. Then I close bracket. They close bracket, I also close bracket. Then got 3 at the bottom there, right? Okay, the 3 I bring in front. Okay, so if I'm doing it again, it's 56 plus 3 times 17. So which means is I'm just making it longer for you. So siapa yang tak tahu the maths, I'm just doing the maths for them. Here should be 51. Okay, and 56 plus 51, teacher will get 107. I hope I'm correct. Me and math, very far apart one. Okay, very good. Excellent. Ponchina can count. All right, 107. Okay, who would like to give me the last answer I gave here? Which question did I give? Aluminium sulfate. Who would like to try for aluminium sulfate? Oh, if you don't understand aluminium sulfate, maybe you can type in the chat. Teacher, I'm not sure of aluminium sulfate. I don't know how to do. Okay, so 2 people put 342. Is there anyone who's going to put that, teacher, I don't know how to do? So everyone knows how to do? No problem, no difficulties in doing it? Anyone brave enough to say, teacher, I don't know? Okay, very good. I really love honest students. Excellent. Okay, very good. So teacher will help. It is 342. So for those of you who got correct, good job. Okay, let's do aluminium sulfate. Teacher, go back here. Aluminium sulfate. Okay, aluminium. Oh, sometimes my pen doesn't cooperate with me. SO4 bracket 3. Okay, so let's do it together. Okay, 2, I've got 2 aluminium. Teacher know aluminium is 27. So cikgu terus buat 27. Bila dia jumpa dia macam ni, from one element to another element, we're always going to plus. Okay, this is another element here, so teacher plus it. Okay, now, then teacher, they bracket, teacher also bracket. Sulfur is 32. Oxygen is 16. Okay, teacher want you all to be fast a bit. So if this is 16, 16 times 4 is how much? Teacher tak tunjuk dalam kerja, yes. All of you all know 16 times 4 is 64? Or do you want me to show you the working? Okay, teacher put 64 here maybe, but in bracket, I will show you 16 times 4. Alamak. And then teacher got 3 here. Okay, teacher put 3 in front here. That's how you do it. Okay, now let's try. 27 times 2 is 54. 54 plus, I put 3 first here. 32 plus 64, is it 100 plus? Yes, it is 100. Like something wrong with my math me. Is teacher's math correct? Oh, no, yes, my math is wrong. Pandai Panchina go and give 100. Okay, it's 96 here. Sorry, sorry. I apologize. I apologize. So sorry. Okay, 54 plus. Okay, whenever I'm counting, you better check on me. Okay, my counting and me cannot, really cannot. Okay, 96 and 3. I got calculator. Okay, 288. 288 plus 54 is 342. Perfect answer. Okay, well done. Good job. Teacher will stop here because I think it's enough. Because memang the next part already you all cannot do. Okay, it is another concept I need to teach already. But homework, I will never let you go without homework. Finish number 3. Finish number 4. Finish number 5. You already roughly saw the answer. Quickly see the answer. But I want you to do the working. All right, and teacher will stop here. Now, after every class, I usually like to take a photo, and I will still practice that. So if you are brave enough to show me your face, uh, then turn on your camera lah. But if you are not, then it's also okay, teacher. I'm not forcing anybody. Probably you're half sleeping on the bed and listening to me. I can understand, yeah? Don't worry. Okay, the fact that you are here listening, I'm already grateful. So anybody besides me who would like to turn on the camera? Thank you. I see one person turning, but then no. Okay. Okay, it looks like it's me and me alone. Okay, fine. It doesn't matter. You can't turn on. It's all right. Thank you for trying. Anyone here that you are not using your phone to watch me? That means you are using your laptop. Can you take your phone to take a picture? Is that possible? I think we have 2 pages. Take of the both pages. Can anyone do that for teacher?